Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to pay your NBD credit card bill. This is the official guide. Now if you have an existing card, I'll show you how to do that. If you want to add a new card and pay for that, I'll show you that as well. But basically you need to do this through transfer and pay. So once you log into your mobile banking, tap on this icon at the bottom of the app, scroll down to payment, and then go ahead and tap credit card payments. Now, under Emirates NBD tab, select your card, enter your amount, go ahead and tap on next, just verify your details, and you can just slide to confirm. And you just need to enter your smart pass pin, okay, and pay for it that way. And if you want to add a new card and pay for that, do the same process, log in, tap on this icon at the bottom of the app, tap on pay a new card, and then you enter the cardholder's name and credit card number. And the payment details will appear. You just need to enter the payment amount and then go ahead and tap on next, verify your details, and then slide to confirm. Enter your smart pass pin and your payment will be processed instantly. Okay, you don't even have to wait. Otherwise, it is really that easy and simple. So make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.